everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how it can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, few important things that I have to tell you and you have to note it, as I'm keep repeating in my most of the videos. See, after pandemic, what had happened, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, but what this upside is creating a pattern. Okay, and this pattern, how it is created, suppose this is the first high after pandemic and it form a swing after falling, it form a swing, went for the second high. Okay, after making the second high, a sharp fall has come. Okay, and again it form a swing, then made a further upside. For the third time a fall has come. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, the fall is getting deepened, as well as it is whenever it is creating a new high. See, for the fourth time and fifth time, it is the most level deep we have seen, and it has made a low of around $2.074. Okay, this is the low it has made after making a $10 high, and then fall we have seen to a level of 2.074. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to understand. Why I'm telling you, because you have to understand how the price of natural gas is moving after pandemic. Okay, now as soon as it fall, and in the month of Jan third week, it is moving in this zone. Okay, it has made a high of around $3.053. Okay, and a low of around $2.068. This is the low. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular trend, that it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, from Jan till now it is moving in this zone. As soon as it break this particular high and sustain a probability of going further upside, we can see. As soon as it break further down, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, second thing. Third thing is that a gap is still pending at 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Chances are very high that if the price touch this particular level, it can touch this particular level. Okay, these are the three things that you have to understand. Now look at this particular chart. A U pattern is forming. After that there is a continuous upside, and I have already explained you that if the price touch a level of $2.4 and sustain, then a probability of touching 2.9 or 2.8 is there. Okay, and it has already touched a level of $2.940. Okay, after that it is falling, because the pattern is created in such a way that after making particular high it will fall. Okay, and what this fall will be like, a U pattern is forming. After that it has crossed this particular zone, it will bounce back from this particular zone a level, but it didn't sustain. As I've already explained you that you can book your profit at this particular level. If it bounce back, then a probability of buying will be there, but if it breaks this particular zone, then we can see it can fall further down. Okay, so now it has already fall on the weekly basis chart, so probability is very high. So before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. A full week it is trying to go further down. Okay, and chances are very high, suppose if this level didn't sustain, it can move further down towards its next support, coming at a level of around $2.584. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a probability of going further down will be there, and then we can see a level of around $2.512. Okay, and if that level also fall further low, then a probability of touching a level of $2.453 is there. If the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.407. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going towards $2.340 is there, and if that level move further low, then yes, a probability of touching a level of 2.243 is there. Okay, keep that in mind. Once started falling below this particular level, chances of going further down is there, and a probability of going 2.24 level is there, and once started moving below this particular level, we can see a level of $2.140. $2.140 is already being a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further down. Okay, keep that in mind. These are all the supports. So what you can see, if it comes close to this particular level, a chances of going further down will be there, if or a bounce back. So a profit booking can come at this particular level. These are the supports. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a probability it can hit its next support. Okay, so once the price fall below $2.140, a chances of going towards a level of 2.061 is there. 2.061 is already being a weak support. Okay, now if the price fall below this particular zone, then yes, it can go further down, and a probability of going towards $1.975 is there. And if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $1.806. Okay, once the price fall below $1.806, it can go further low, because that is where we can see it can go further down to a level of $1.6825. Okay, and so if the price fall below this level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. But understand, when the price move below a level of $2, chances of touching these points are on a higher side, because this level we have not seen since pandemic. Okay, after pandemic, when started moving upside, because it is now in this zone. You can see that since July of 2020, where the price started moving upside, this level we have not seen if the price comes below a level of $2. Okay, so you have to be very prepared. Okay, if the price fall below that particular level, because it can go further down. Okay, but understand, market is always uncertain. Okay, so what you can do is, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, because you cannot rely that the market can go down. Always trail your SL, okay, and trail your profit, both things, in order to save your capital and your profit. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.696, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.8. Suppose if the price sustain above $2.8, a probability of going towards $2.853, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $2.953. Okay, and once the price move above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 3.073 is there, and once the price sustain above that particular level, it can go towards a level of around $3.346. Okay, keep that in mind. Once started moving above $3, chance of touching 3.346 is there, and if that level goes further upside, a probability of touching 3.561 is there. Okay, this is a weekly chart. You have to understand, this is a weekly resistance which I am talking about. So if the price sustain above 3.561, chances of going towards 3.969 is there, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can, if the price sustain that level, a probability of going further upside will be there for the price of natural gas. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and if the price move above a level of 3.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.